guys, this is the center of Leeuwarden. You can see it, the H&M. This is it. City, look at that. The people enjoying because it's sunny day here in Leeuwarden and Netherlands. Hello guys, nakahuna-huna ko nga ako na ni silang sundogon diri sa kadugayon akong hulat. Kani mga manikin diri o nga nagbarog. Okay guys, it's okay. Okay guys, while I'm waiting, I'm looking at this mannequin. I want to buy this dress. One of this dress I'm going to buy. I want. Finally, ang akong gihulat, the two Momshies is here already. Wow, I'm waiting for 1 day here. Oh my gosh, 1 day ha? 1 day. Nakakita na ko afam diri sa kahinulat na ko. Finally. Okay. We are going to walk in the city. Banding, this is a great banding because it is a sunny day here in Leeuwarden. Yeah, it's a movie. Liquor. Look at the boat is coming. You're riding the boat. Oh, what a beautiful. This is a typical here in Netherlands. Hi, hello. Enjoy your rides. Have fun. Okay, thank you for watching. Nandito kami ngayon, nagbilad-bilad sa init.
Sa uma.
Sa uma. Okay, Vertil, thank you for watching. Don't forget. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share. Like.
She is a Vietnamese.
1,000 like.
She is a Vietnamese, that's why. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.